students, this is chapter 5 of coordinate geometry from R.S.Aggarwal and very interesting part of the chapter, multiple choice questions. So before starting the questions, first you know what you have to do. Go through the link and subscribe the channel. I hope so that you are one of my subscriber. Now come to the question number first. In which quadrant does the point -7, -4 lie? Now look at the quadrant. In first quadrant both positive, in second quadrant x negative, y positive, minus, plus. In third quadrant x negative, y negative, both negative, and in fourth quadrant x positive, y negative. Look at this point, both are negative, it means this point will lie in third quadrant. C option is correct. Mark the option C. Second, x is greater than 0 and y is less than 0, then the point x y lies in quadrant. X greater than 0 means x positive, y less than 0 y negative. So x positive and y negative. Here it is asking in which quadrant. The answer is fourth quadrant. So mark the option D. Next, A is less than 0 and B is greater than 0. Then the point AB lies in quadrant. A less than 0 means A negative and B positive because B is greater than 0. It means AB. A is abscissa, B is ordinate. Abscissa means x coordinate. So x coordinate is less than 0 means negative and y coordinate means ordinate, is greater than 0 means positive. Second quadrant. Option B is correct. Next question. A point both of whose coordinates are negative lies in quadrant, and you know the sign will be like this, and both are negative means third quadrant. So mark the option C. Next question. The point other than origin for which abscissa is equal to the ordinate will lie in the quadrant. So look at the quadrant. If suppose x is 3, then y also 3. Abscissa is equal to ordinate. So both will be plus 3. And if you are taking in second quadrant, one is positive, one is negative, not equal to ordinate. Abscissa and ordinate will not equal to in this quadrant. But here if x is equal to -3, then y is equal to -3. So it may be in the third quadrant. So first and third quadrant, the point in which abscissa is equal to ordinate, and fourth quadrant will be the point like this where abscissa is equal to ordinate. So our option for the first quadrant and third quadrant. Mark option C. Next question number 6. The points -5, 3 and 3, -5 lie in the, look at the quadrant where x is negative and y is positive, means this is second quadrant, and x is positive, y is negative. X is positive, y is negative, means fourth quadrant. So these points lie in second quadrant and fourth quadrant. Look at the options. Option C is correct. Now one important thing is, don't mark to option D, because here x negative and this will, and y positive, it means it will come in second quadrant. So for first coordinates write the correct option. Here second and fourth, here fourth and second. So don't create the difference. Don't do this mistake. Points 1, -1, 2, -2, -3, -4, 4, -5 lies. Here x positive, y negative, x positive, y negative, x negative, y negative, x positive, y negative. It means these points will not lie in same quadrant. So this option will not for these points. Now x positive and y negative, and this is for both x and y negative. All lie in second quadrant? No, because these points lie, these 3 points, 1, 2, 3, these 3 points lie in same quadrant, and this will in other quadrant. All lie in third quadrant? No. All lie in fourth quadrant? No. Do not lie in the same quadrant. So this option is correct, because here this is differ from these 3. So option D is correct. Do not lie in the same quadrant. See the situation of all the points. These 3 points lie in the fourth quadrant, and this point will be in the third quadrant. So do not lie in the same quadrant. Next question. Question number 8. Point 0, -8 lies. This is axis. X is equal to 0, means no distance on x-axis, only distance on y-axis, -8. It means it will lie on y-axis, not in the quadrant but on y-axis. Option D is correct. Means it will sum here, -8. Next question. Point -7, 0 lies. Here y coordinate is 0 and x is negative. It means this point lie on the x-axis but in negative x-axis. See, on the negative direction of x-axis. First option is correct. Option A. Same, both are same question but axes are different. -7, 0. This will lie on x-axis. Here negative values, and suppose -7 here. The point which lies on the y-axis at a distance of 5 units in the negative direction of the y-axis. It means the point will be like this. This is the coordinate axis and negative direction down the x-axis. This is x-axis, down the x-axis. And 5 units means x is equal to 0 and y is equal to -5. Let's see the option. Option B is correct. X 0, y -5 unit, because this is negative direction of y. Next question. The ordinate of every point on the x-axis is. Ordinate means y coordinate. So on x-axis, this is the axis, and ordinate is 0, no distance from the x-axis. So ordinate of every point on the x-axis, point lie on the x-axis, ordinate is 0. Mark the option C. Question number 12. If the y coordinate of a point is 0, then this point always lies. Y coordinate is 0 of a point, means no distance from x-axis. So the point lie on the x-axis, because no distance from x-axis, it means on the x-axis, not in quadrant. Option B is correct. If O 0 0, A 3 0, B 3 4 and C 0 4 are 4 given points, then the figure OABC is a. So you can plot these points roughly and find out which figure you will get. Now these are the axis, x axis and y axis. 0 0 means origin and 3 0 means x is equal to 1 2 3 and y 0. Right here 3 0, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4. It means this is 3 and y is equal to 1 2 3, suppose 4 3 4. Next point 0 4, x is equal to 0 means no distance, the point will lie on y axis, and y is equal to 4 1 2 3 and 4, this point y coordinate is 4, it means this will lie here, right here 0 4. Now join these point, the figure is opposite sides are equal, this side equal to, this is O, A, B and C. So OC is equal to AB, OA is equal to BC. Opposite sides are equal and angles, adjacent angle are 90 degree. Simple, this shape is formed of rectangle. Option B is correct. So mark the option B. Next question. If A minus 2 3 and B minus 3 5 are two given points, then abscissa of A minus abscissa of B. Here for A minus 2 and minus abscissa of B is minus 3. So you can write it minus 2 minus minus plus 3 and subtract it, you will get plus 1. Option B is correct. Next question. The perpendicular distance of the point 3 4 from the y axis is. Now x is equal to 3, x 1 2 3, suppose here, and y is equal to 4 1 2 3 4. It means this is the point 3 4. The perpendicular distance of the point A, this is the A point, and from the y axis, this is y axis, so you have to find out the distance from y axis. This is, it means these distance are called the distance, or you can say the coordinate of x, which is 3. So this is the perpendicular distance and it will be 3. Option A is correct. Mark the option A. Suppose if it is asking the perpendicular distance from x axis, this is x axis and the perpendicular distance will be, this is the coordinate of y, this distance is 4, this is the perpendicular distance, then it will be 4 when here will be x axis. Now here it is asking the perpendicular distance from the y axis, y, this is y axis and distance, perpendicular distance will be 3. Abscissa of a point is positive in, abscissa means x coordinate positive. See the quadrant, x coordinate positive. In first quadrant, here minus minus, and in fourth quadrant. So answer will be abscissa is positive in first and fourth quadrant. Mark the option B. The point at which the two coordinates axes meet is called the origin. You know these coordinate axes meet at the point which is called origin, and the coordinates of the origin will be 0 0. X is 0 here, no distance of x axis and no distance on y axis. So This is called origin. Option C is correct. 18th, the point whose ordinate is 3 and which lies on the y-axis. Ordinate is 3 means the y-coordinate is 3 and this point lie on y-axis. These are the axis and point will lie on y-axis, mean no distance for x, no distance. Point will be on x-axis, any point. So here x coordinate is 0 and y is equal to 3. So x coordinate is 0, y is equal to 3 and these are not correct. Option B is correct. Which of the following points lies on the line y is equal to 2x plus 3? The points which lie on this line will satisfy to this line. So substitute the value of x and see the value will be equal to, you will get from this expression will be equal to y. Suppose x is equal to from here 2. 2 2s are 4 plus 3 7. No, y coordinate is not 7. Putting x is equal to 3. 3 2s are 6 plus 3 9. So you will get the y coordinate 9. It means the value of x will be satisfied to this equation. Therefore option B is correct. And look the other point so that you will confirm it. X is equal to 4, 4 2s are 8 plus 3 11, but y coordinate is 12 and here 5 2s are 10 plus 3 13 and here y is 15. Option B is correct. You need not to put these values because if you get from starting then it's okay. Take the option B. Question number 20. Which of the following points does not lie on the line y is equal to 3x plus 4? Same question but the points does not lie. You have to find that point. Substitute the value of x. Here 1, 3 1s are 3 plus 4 7. So y is equal to 7. This will satisfy. Check for the x is equal to 2. 2 3s are 6 plus 4 10. Y is equal to 10. This is also satisfy the equation. X is equal to minus 1. So minus 3. 3 into minus 1 means minus 3 plus 4. Y is equal to 1. This is also satisfied. Substitute x is equal to 4. 4 3s are 12 plus 3. Sorry, 12 plus 4. 4 3s are 12. X is equal to 4 here. So 12 plus 4, 16 and here y is equal to 12. So this set of the coordinate will not satisfy to the equation or you can say line. Option D is correct. Which of the following points does not lie in any quadrant? Here x and y coordinates both are given. This is also, this is also. These points will lie in the quadrant. But here x is 0, it means here and y is equal to 3. This point lie on y axis. So option D is correct. This point will not lie in any quadrant. Question number 22. The area of triangle AOB having vertices A 06, O 00, B 60 is. So first you plot this point roughly and find the base and height. Now this point will be like this. 00 is O and 06, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 6 here. 06 A and B 60, x is equal to 6, y is equal to 0. So join this point and it is formed a right angle triangle and you know the area of right angle triangle is equal to half base into height. Here half base is the distance OB, which is 6 unit, x coordinate here 6 unit, and height y coordinate, which is 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 6s are 18. 18 square unit. 18 square unit. Now mark the option C. So students, multiple choice questions have finished now, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.